Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Vanilla Handmade. Let's see what accessories I used to do crochet. You can see the multiple colors I have, and also I use 9 different sizes of hooks. You can see here. I also use the lighters for neat finishing, and that is the transparent cover with green hearts on it. And this is the measurement tape I used for measuring, and this is the string I used. And also I have different multiple colors. You can see I have using this, and also I have used them. And now I have this fiber fill to fill in the project, that is almost half kg. And these are the zips I used for making bags and pouches. And these are the small sticks for making stem to the flowers. And these are the stitch markers, and these are the needles to sew. And you can see the different types of beads I have in gold color, white color, and white and gold combination, and red color beads that are usually used to decorate my crochet. And these are the buttons to punch to my crochet, and the keychains, zips, and the hook, small alligator clips. And this is the button smashing. I use this to punch the buttons to the crochet project. These are the buttons you can see here. And this is the little big alligator clips I use. You can see how big they are. And these are the small beads I used to decorate. Yes, these are the all over items I used for crochet. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and share.